how to add echo effect in audio in CapCut. If you want to add an echo audio effect on CapCut in a certain audio, you can simply open up the CapCut video editor app right here. Now once you've basically done this, simply select new project, right? And then let's say that there's a certain photo or video that maybe you might want to edit it out. So we will simply go ahead and then choose a random photo or video right here and just hit the add button. Now on the next page, we will simply select that particular video, or if it has an audio, right? And once you've made sure of that, at the bottom you can see different and many options right here. You can say enhance voice, so you can tap on enhance voice and you'll find many options, but here you can see there's no option to add that particular audio echo. So here you can see a couple of options. Again, just keep on scrolling over here, and once you've done that, you will see all these sorts of options, and here you can see audio effects. So just scroll until you see audio effects and tap on it. Under audio effects, you can see voice filters, you can see voice characters, speech to song, and others, right? Over here you simply want to search for the echo option. Now unfortunately, echo is only available on the pro version, as you can see here. So if you want that, you gotta pay for it by simply tapping on the echo option right here, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add an echo effect in audio in CapCut. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.